Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to leverage your network to land a job as a network administrator. This method is based on the ACA, Acknowledge, Compliment, Ask method from Alex Hormozi's $100 million leads. So let's get started. Here's what we'll be covering: identifying warm leads at your current company, researching your leads on LinkedIn, Google, blogs, social media, etc., using the ACA method to start conversations, offering to shadow and help your IT team for free, requesting informational interviews from friends and family, and providing value to build relationships. First, let's understand the ACA method. It stands for Acknowledge, Compliment, and Ask. This is a simple yet effective way to reach out to potential leads. What are leads? A lead is someone you're able to contact. What are warm leads? Warm leads are someone that you know and have some relationship with that you can contact. So, how many warm leads do you have? Well, how many numbers do you have in your phone? How many Facebook friends do you have? Do you have an IT department at the company you're currently working at? These are all warm leads. We should start by focusing on one list first and work those leads before moving on to the next. The first list should be your current job's IT department, if it has one. These warm leads provide you the biggest leverage as you are already in the company. This is how I shifted into IT originally. I offered to work for free and shadow the IT department as I was taking an IT course. I met with the IT team and they, instead of having me work for free, offered me a job. Who are the people in your IT department? Who are the people in your computer networking team? We're going to reach out to them first. If your company doesn't have an IT department, or if your company doesn't outsource their IT to another company that you can contact, you can skip to the friends and family warm leads. So, the first step here is to look at your organizational chart and find the IT team. Who is the IT manager or the network manager? Look them up on LinkedIn, Google, etc. We want to see where they were before and how they got to where they are now. We also want to see what's new in their life. Do they have a YouTube channel, a blog? Are they working toward a certification? Did they just have a baby? This will help us with finding something to connect with them on. Reach out to them via email or chat message asking them about it. For example, hey, I saw you have a YouTube channel on insert subject here. How long have you been running that channel? Or, hey, I saw you have a blog on insert subject here. How do you come up with your blog articles? Or, hey, I saw you're training for the X certification or just got the X certification. Is it difficult? When do you plan on taking a certification exam? Or when did you take this certification exam? Or, hey, I saw you just had a baby girl. What's her name? She looks so cute. Or, hey, I saw you used to work at X place or go to school at X. How was it there? Anything to get the conversation started. Be curious about them. Reach out to them up to 3 times. If they don't respond the first time, wait an hour and try again. Nothing? Wait 2 hours and try again. Still nothing? Wait a day and try one last time. Once someone does respond, use the ACA formula. Acknowledge what they responded with, restate it to show you're listening, compliment them on what they said, tying the compliment to a character trait, and ask the next question, leading the conversation closer to your offer, which in this case is free shadowing and help for their team during your off time or lunch, which means leading them to any issues or projects they may have at work. For example, wow, you've been working on your YouTube channel for X years or months? You must have great consistency and patience to do that. Does your current role help you come up with YouTube ideas? Or do you feel your current role also requires that much consistency and patience? After they respond again, follow up with ACO, acknowledge, compliment, offer. Offer is just another type of ask. Start again by acknowledging what they said, by restating it in some way again, compliment their character trait, and then follow up with your offer, your shadowing and free help. For example, hey, by the way, Do you know if there's anyone on your team that would be willing to allow me to shadow them and help them out for free during my lunch or off time? I recently graduated from a network administrator career transition program, and I'm looking for some more real world experience I can use to help me transition into a network administrator role. Does anyone you like come to mind? If they say no, then respond with, haha, does anyone you hate come to mind? The goal is to get your foot in the door at your company's networking team. Then, when you're there, offer as much free help as you can. While you're doing this, you'll continue to make it known that you're looking to transition into a network admin position. Move forward with the other professional networking while working with your company's computer networking team. Make sure to put on your resume and LinkedIn that you're interning at your company's networking department. For friends and family, go through your phone contacts or Facebook contacts and follow the same research ACA ACO strategy. But this time, your offer is, hey, by the way, do you know of anyone that works in IT and computer networking that would be willing to talk about how they got into the field? I recently graduated from a network administrator career transition program, and I'm looking for some advice to complement my experience and help me transition into a network administrator role. As a token of my appreciation for your help with the introduction, I'd be glad to assist with any tech issues or share any insights I got from the program. Does anyone you like come to mind? Again, if they say no, then respond with, haha, does anyone you hate come to mind? The goal here is to get a virtual coffee chat with someone in the field so you can start making connections, proactively offering them free help any way you can without being asked, and getting a referral for an open position. Using the same ACA ACO strategy with the contact your friends and family give you, but in the case of that contact, your offer is free help related to their struggles or projects. By proactively offering help, the people you connect to will think to themselves, they're not even on my team, and they're already making my life easier. Imagine if they were on my team. Your help can be related to a goal of theirs that may be unrelated to their job position. Be creative. Ask ChatGPT, Bing AI, or any other free AI for helpful suggestions for any problems that they have or goals they are chasing that you can relay to them. Remember, the key is to be genuine and respectful when reaching out. Be human, be curious about people, and be open to conversations. Don't tie the outcome of this person will definitely get me a job interview / referral. The goal isn't to get a referral. The goal is to professionally network and build relationships, which will increase the chances that some will naturally become referrals. I don't think I can say it enough, but be curious about people and their projects and struggles. Then use that information to help them for free. Alright, let's do a quick recap of the key steps. Identify warm leads at your workplace and your personal network. Research leads to find connections and conversation starters. Use the ACA method to make the conversation flow. Make offers to help for free. Request informational interviews from friends and family. Build relationships that increase chances of natural referrals. Next, we'll tackle networking with people you don't know, also known as cold leads.